Want to get or find deleted number or recover restore your all deleted call history, call logs? So let's see how to do that. I will show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. After that, open Google Play Store. So in this here you can write and search super backup and restore. You can see super backup and restore app. Please install this app. After that, open it. You can see apps, SMS, contacts, call logs. So in this you can easily find or get or recover restore your deleted number or recover restore your deleted call history or call logs. So let's see. After that, you can see call logs. So choose call logs, click on it. After that, choose OK. In this time I can choose and select folder or create new folder. In this time I can create new folder. So in this here, click on it. You can see in this time I can create new folder called history. After that, choose OK. After that, choose use this folder, click on it. Choose allow. After that, again choose call logs. Choose allow. Again choose allow. So first of all I can choose backup all, click on it. After that, choose OK, click on it. You can see call logs backup completed successfully. So in this way you can easily recover or restore or find or get your deleted number, deleted call history or deleted call logs. After that, go back. After that, choose restore. After that, choose call logs, click on it. You can see my deleted call logs, call history, recover or restore. You can see restore completed successfully. After that, choose and open view call logs. So in this here I can see or find or get my deleted call number or deleted call history or call logs. After that, choose and open send to cloud, open it. Choose call logs. You can see send to Google Drive. After that, choose send to others. So first of all I can choose send to others. So in this I can easily share my recover or restore or get or find deleted call history, number or call logs. After that, go back. After that, choose send to Google Drive. Choose your Gmail account. So in this way you can easily recover or restore or find or get your deleted number or recover restore deleted call history or call logs. So thank you very much, and please like and share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel.